Good day viewers, thanks for watching. In today's video, I want us to learn inverse of matrix. Remember, I have taught matrix here on this channel. So I want you to learn inverse of matrix. So I'm owing you one subtopic on matrix, which is three unknowns. Solving matrix involving three unknowns. But for today, let's talk about inverse of matrix. Inverse of matrix. So now, let me divide the board as usual. Let me start from here. What is inverse of matrix? I think it's better I use mathematical statement to explain it better. From the word inverse, inverse means if I have 1 over 2, eh, and this is equals to 2 raised to power minus 1. In indices, we call it negative index law, right? When I have a raised to power minus 1, according to indices, it's going to be 1 over a, right? But now in matrix, we are calling this inverse of a. Inverse of a. Okay, now, how then can we solve inverse of matrix? Take for instance, find the inverse of a matrix A equal to 2, 3, 5, 4. Okay, before I solve this question, I want to use alphabet to explain the inverse of a matrix. How? Look up here. If y is equal to a, b, c, d, and we are asked to find y inverse, how do we do that? Before we continue, I want you to know that det, which means determinant, is equal to, I will show you there. Then I will come here and finish it off. So when you have something like this now, this thing is going to be equal to 1 over that is det y. Then in brackets, how do you solve inverse of a matrix? You know here, this is second row. Why this one is the first row. So now watch out. This second row will take the first column. How? Here becomes D minus B. You get? Why this first row will take the second column? It's going to be minus CA. This is the way to solve inverse of a matrix. You can also do it this way. You say, using alternatively, you can say y inverse equal to 1 over AD minus BC. Then you have D minus B minus CA. Why do I do this? Someone may ask, why do you have minus B here and minus C here? You remember that minus is opening everything here. Do you get? So here is minus B, here is minus C. You get? So but this one is just AD. Look at it now. A times D will give us AD minus, if you observe, minus C times minus B will give you plus B plus CB or BC. But this minus now, if you open this bracket, if this thing should be in bracket, if this BC should be put in a bracket, minus will also open the bracket. Do you understand? The alphabet here will become negative all of them will be negative. Did you understand? So this is the formula for negative inverse of a matrix. Do you get? So that is why I wanted to understand this concept before we dive into simple example. Okay, look at this one. Find the inverse of a matrix A equal to 2, 3, 5, 4. Do you get? Since we have used alphabet, let's try numbers. Solution now. Solution. A inverse is going to be 1 over det A. Don't forget that I told you that this thing means determinant. Determinant. So, since it means determinant, here is going to be 4 minus 3, and here will be minus 5, 2, based on what I told you here. Do you get? So to solve for this dA, let me add it here now because putting everything once may bring confusion. Do you get? So now, det here, y is equal to, that is A times D minus B times C. Exactly what I did here. That is why I showed something like this here. Did you understand? So here now, to work, before we start working here, first of all, we're going to find det A here. The det A here, det here now is going to be big bracket, small bracket, 4 times 2 minus 5 times minus 3. That is det A. So det A is going to be what? 4 times 2 will give us 8 minus times minus will give us plus. We have 15. So here we're going to have plus 8 minus 15 will give us minus 7. We're going to have minus 7. Is that correct? Yes. So what do you do next? We then say A inverse equal to 1 over minus 7. Then in bracket 4 minus 3 minus 5, 2. Do you get? So let me continue over here. I can wipe this, right? So from here, what do I do then? A inverse equal to, in big bracket, 1 over 7 times 4 over 1. 1 over 7 times minus 3 over 1. 1 over 7 times minus 5 over 1. 1 over 7 times 2 over 1. So what do we get? Here we have 4 over 7 minus 3 over 7 minus 5 over 7, 2 over 7. So that's the final answer. So that is that on inverse of a matrix. So I believe you understood this. So please follow me in my next video on inverse of a matrix. I have many questions, difficult ones to be precise, to solve here so that you understand it. Remember I told you I'm going to make further mathematics easy for you. Thanks for watching. And please, if you are seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Share the video, recommend the videos, this channel and my videos to your friends, students, loved ones. Thanks.